Hi, this is Carolyn Wilhelm from Wise Owl Factory, and this is an end of the school year Who is Who autograph freebie that's on Teachers Pay Teachers. It's very gentle. This activity allows for different uses and to help include all children in finding something they were good at, where they sign their name or they're asked to sign their name, or it's teacher-led. So who was fun to play with? Who was fun to eat with at snack or lunch? Who was a good helper? Who was good at music, art, maps, writing? Who was nice? Who was good at spelling? Who was good at science? What about being a good listener? Anyway, the students can use this different ways, and there's plain autograph pages as well. It's free on Teachers Pay Teachers. Thank you for listening.